The next important thing is to find all the screws for the bulkhead, which I'm going to do now. So this I'm not going to do because I haven't actually got the, waste it wisely, I haven't even actually got the Hylamar. I have got Hylamar, I just can't seem to see where. So I'm going to say to you that, there you go, it is the gasket. Well, thanks to Granville. Tomorrow, Granville, some gaskets play up there. We can find that. So tomorrow then, guys, we'll chuck that together, because the rest of it's going to be like grinding or welding, which I don't want to be doing with the bottom of the edge, you know. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, guys, this will fit, but these holes need to be re-drilled. Now I've seen them on Fleet Pay. They got all different holes in different configurations to allow you to get it in different places. I think it's wired the wrong way around. I don't think this is the right starter, but I'm going to go with it because I think it will clear, and I'm going to try. I'm not going to buy another starter, so that's one. I made that. I'm going to, if I have to, I'll chop a bit out the back of that bell housing so I can see where it's going to line up. I'll chop a bloody hole in here so I can see it, because that bell housing, well, it's, as you say, it's a synchro. I've got a synchro gearbox would go straight on it, and I could put an overdrive gearbox, but then at the end of the day, do I really want to? I mean, come on. I know all the people out there going, well, you could, you should, yeah, why not? But how is that going to help me in the long term? It'll make things a lot easier. All right, okay, I'm beginning to come around to your way of thinking. Right, next, give me another question. Right, okay. If I was to use the idea of what we're thinking, which would be use the overdrive gearbox, it'd go in, it'd go on the original mountings. I wouldn't have to worry about any of the mountings. I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. I've got the clutch plates, I've got a clutch, but I've got everything I need, including the gear lever. So I'm going to leave it for now, and let's see what you think. Because for the people out there who are listening, they'll all be saying the same thing. 354 diff, 4-speed synchro. Forget overdrive for the minute. It's going to be revving its guts out. So in other words, it's either 5-speed and a lower ratio diff, which I'm not doing, because I'm not doing it. I'm not going to struggle with that 331. So no. So I think possibly 5-speed. It's got to be better than overdrive. If the spike speed will work in there, but the overdrive would be easier to fit. Yeah. Well, guys, listen. I'm gonna say, it ain't gonna much matter, is it? Whatever I do, because this, I ain't got enough life left to worry about using it. So I think possibly I'm gonna go with the easiest configuration. Now, whether that will tell you what might happen, I don't know. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You won't get it. So be ready to see either a gear stick in the right place or a gear stick in the wrong place. Or maybe I'll put a 4-speed automatic in it. No way. I found some I've got some, those rock covers are not any good for this. I don't want to put those on this engine. I'm going to use them on something else. So I've got some finned ones. Well, I got some finned ones with a single vent, you know, single breather. So I'm going to mess about with those for this engine. We're going to have a military style breather system. But I mean, I don't think, you know, as I said, tomorrow we got a bit of a list to do. Tomorrow we've got some stuff to do, which is hopefully I'm going to get some help. I'm going to lift it up, get underneath it, I'm going to stone chip it, seal around all the welds, and then try and get them into some sort of paint. I'll get the sump on there, and then I might have a look and see what I'm going to do about this bloody gearbox. Because although I don't want to use that synchro gearbox, I'd rather sell it to some personage. Using the 5-speed is going to cause me a bit of grief, but probably not as much grief as I imagine. So like I say, I got it's to be decided tomorrow. So yeah, axle's done, engine's coming on, carbs, manifold, got all that. We got that starter motor modification. Do that when I'm a little bit more like not less sozzled. I'm gonna do the bolts now. Find all them. These holes are self-tapping screw holes where they put the splash shield on. So I'm not worried about it. That's like, you know, it's like, I mean, people imagine you're going to go 150 miles in this at an hour in it. You ain't going to do that. Because you'd be lucky to do bloody 60. So we ain't going to worry about it. So everything else is done. Got to find a 1/2-inch reamer, which I'm going to do for the bloody door hinges. And I went out today shopping. I can't get a reamer. I could get a 16mm reamer, but that meant the door hinges would be bigger than the actual door hinges, so that ain't going to work. That's the homemade handbrake linkage quadrant. What's going on? See that? Yeah. That's a bit of a modification, but we got a few mods. We got a few mods going in. We got some mods. That's the other bit of handbrake. Caliper bolt. Steering column welding. That's going to be done. That needs painting. Yeah, look guys, it's pretty good. Petrol tank's looking pretty good. Side of vinegar is trying its best in there, although we are getting a bit of corrosion. Get some side of vinegar. Yeah, some more in there. I have got a bit more, so we'll have a bit more in there. We'll give it a good rinse before I try it, because it's quite cheap stuff. So it's about from Aldi or Lidl or somewhere. It's only 28p a bottle. So that's it. Bramwell's bloody good stuff. I swear by it. I'm gonna use Coca-Cola. Bramwell's. It doesn't like it, but it does. I think you guys understand that. I mean, obviously you car enthusiasts, you understand that if you buy this stuff from anywhere else, it costs a bloody fortune. I mean, they want so much money for anything to clean a fuel tank out with. So, I mean, I've worked out this does work. I've used it on a lot of occasions. So, Bramwell's perfect for pickling distilled vinegar. Excellent stuff. Swear by it. Good old Bramwell. Anyway, so yeah, got a few more litres of that going, but they didn't have it. They only had malt one. Goodness that. But we need to get under here. This is our mission tomorrow. We're going to get under and try and clean all this up, get this looking better, get it maybe painted into white paint. I don't know. And we'll get the engine frames bolted in. Start making a start on that.